Hello and welcome back to your favorite channel, Women of Beauty India. This is me, your artist Farah Charanya. And as you all know, at Women of Beauty India, all we do is talk about techniques, DIYs, and products related to makeup, hair, skin, and fashion. And the reason why I took this topic is because most of us are very much comfortable with walking down with kajal and lipstick only, no foundation, no blusher, nothing required. You would be learning to apply this beautiful eye makeup. It's a step-by-step process, so it's not one go process. So you will see how I started from tight line to waterline to smudge to liner to smoky. But yes, right now my focus is only to show you how to use kajal. Now, beginning with kajal, I would say all of us have been tortured. We Indians, like special. Loads of kajal, kohl and surma, and it was always told that it is beneficial for your eyes, and plus we would have that black tika, and it is for nazar ka tika, which we now also do. Like when I do my brides, I happen to apply them kajal piche, near like behind their earlobes, so I apply them kala tika for nazar. Now talking about kajal, like I have had instances wherein my friends have told me about this, that they would not realize and walk down without kajal one fine day, and everybody in the office or college would be like, what happened, is everything fine? Those kind of questions pop up when we don't apply kajal. We forget to apply kajal, which defines our eyes, which gives life to our eyes. We are concerned about our well-being, but the fact is that the kajal adds a lot of zest to your eyes. But for right now, I want to talk about the black kajal that we all are using. Most of us, like of course, people with small eyes. So for them, it is better to apply a kajal on the tight line, that is this upper lash line area, and then apply nice layer of mascara. So that would enhance your beauty. Kajal is the basic way of enhancing your beauty, your eyes. We'll see 5 stages of kajal with me in this video. One is the tight line, then waterline, then smudge, then liner, and then finally smoky eye makeup. So if you want to know how to do this makeup, smoky eyes, please keep watching and you will understand how easy and how simple it is to achieve it. Okay, let's begin. Starting off with the makeup, I will be using Faces and Lakme. Right guys, so starting off with the kajal. As we all know, kajal is used to define your eyes. It can also be used in different other ways, which I will not be covering in this part. This is kajal part 1, wherein I would be showing you different ways of using kajal for your eyes. Right now we are going to just explore kajal and how to use it for the eye makeup. So we'll start off with something very simple. Most of us are not comfortable applying a kajal on the tight line, and we are very hesitant of how to apply it, and should I apply it or should I drop the plant, like that kind of situation happens. And I would like to say that you should apply it, because once you apply it, you will realize how beautiful the eye makeup turns out to be. Right now I have not done any eye makeup, it's just a basic makeup that I have done, and I am now just covering up with kajal as the topic. Okay, very first thing that we're gonna learn is to apply kajal on the tight line, that is that line. Now there are 2 ways that you can use it. You can apply it. Just take this pencil, that's it. Do you see? Now if you compare both the eyes, in case you're not the person who would be comfortable with doing that, this thing that you can do is apply it, just hold it just put the kajal on the tight line and apply a good layer of mascara to your eyes, and you will have a very beautifully defined eyes. So this is for people with small eyes. Okay, that's one layer of mascara. You can apply many layers. I'll be applying many layers like simultaneously. The next thing that we're going to do is Canada, again the waterline. Now that's the proper kajal. Okay, now apply again the mascara. Okay, so now that's the second coating of mascara and the kajal on the waterline. Now the third thing that we're gonna do is apply kajal on the lower lash area and do smudged effect. Back in. Now we will and set this with black. So we will now take the black color by next. Take like little okay. So that's the third thing that you guys can do. Like I have seen so many girls who are very comfortable with applying this kind of kajal and they love it. So yeah, you can try it, whichever you like. You can take it forward with that. Now what we will do is we'll do extended liner with the help of kajal, liner pencil using Lakme Iconic. That's the liner. You apply the same on this eye. There's one more look that we will be doing, and that's called a smoky eye effect. So quite a number of you all love listening to the term that smoky eye effect, but do not know how to go about with this. So for all of you, this is it. This is how you achieve a basic smoky eye effect. I'm using NYX palette R1 Pop. We just have to blend like this. The more you blend well, the better your results will be. Okay, and now I'm taking the black one. Similarly, black, just lightly dab it and blend it in. Dab it, blend it in. Okay. That is it, guys. So that's the smoky eyes. So you can do smoky eyes even after doing your eyeliner, is what I've shown you right now. I hope this video has been helpful to you all. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed creating it. I got tired in between, definitely, but yeah, that's a part of that's a part of being obese. So yeah. Otherwise, I hope you guys have enjoyed this look. Avoid my lipstick because I know it's not looking good, but I just wanted to apply something and so I just set with it. However, I would request you all to please subscribe my channel, share it with your loved ones if they are wanting to know something in details. If they love doing makeup, would be great if you guys can share it across. Ask them to subscribe and join my tribe. My next video will be again on Kajal, and that would come in another 2 weeks or something, because in between I'll be doing other videos also. But Kajal part 2 is on its way. Alright guys, thank you for joining in. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and share some love. Yeah, bye, take care.